log in. Not a big deal. Just something I didn't do yet. Once again, this is Windows 2000 server, the 1998 or something. Yeah, 1985 to 1999 Windows 2000 server. So it wasn't even 2000 yet, which is kind of funny, but whatever. Start up here pretty soon. Now we're going to go through the basic, awesome background. I'm going to go through the basic control panel settings. I did a previous video about the control panel with Windows NT, which was a little bit different, but some of it might be a lot the same. So once it opens up here, probably running a little bit too much at a time. Ta-da! Surprise, it's there. Okay. Now, we're going to look at all the options here. Accessibility options is basically always first, and that has to do with your sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys for a keyboard. I covered those previously. Toggle keys make sounds when you turn the caps lock on and off. Sound sentry, display, high contrast if you want, but don't. This option wasn't actually in Windows NT, so that's sort of new because they're better graphics. Still 16-bit color in the background there. Mouse keys. That still happens. Still an option today. So, and general automatic reset, all the options that were also in Windows NT. Add remove hardware is a lot like add remove programs, except it runs you through the add run hardware wizard. So if you plug something in, it doesn't automatically come on. Then you have to come in here, next, add a troubleshooting device, uninstall an unloaded device. And you basically have to do that with your printer and a lot of other stuff. Add remove programs, self-explanatory again. If you have a program that is installed, then you can come in here and remove it. If you want to add a new program through a CD or a floppy, click this and you put it in the CD drive. Or you can just open it up, put it in the CD drive, same thing. And Windows components, if you want to add or remove those, Windows kind of has a hissy fit about it, but eventually you can remove them. Also, you have the option to install or not install the Windows components at the very beginning when you're just installing the operating system. Administrative tools. This is everything you have. This is new for, well, sort of new. Some of it's sort of new for Windows at this point. Windows NT didn't have any of these options except for, I believe, routing and services times, it shows the region and the time we're in Tijuana. Display, this you can get from the back, from the first screen, from the home screen, and this is what it looks like. But folder options, and fonts, or you can put your fonts, or you can remove fonts. And there are a few more here. Game controllers, that's new. The Windows NT didn't have it because it wasn't so much for games, it was for servers. So is Windows 2000 Server, but it's a better operating system, so now you can use games, things like that. You'd use this to add hardware like game controllers. Internet options, this is for Internet Explorer only. Any other browsers that you download, you'd have to change the options within the browser. Keyboard, pretty self-explanatory. Licensing, that'll show you what your license is. I think it'll show you what your version of Windows is too. Mouse, network and dial-up, modem, phone. As you can see, there are a lot more networking options in Windows NT. Power options, that's for a laptop and I guess for the desktop. Printers, you can add them here. You can view all the ones on the server. Regional options, like what we already saw. Scanners and cameras, if you have them, because of the better graphics and 16-bit color. Scheduled tasks, sounds and multimedia, and system. And those are all of your basic Windows NT or Windows 2000 Server control panel options.